Welcome to the Shower Door Help channel. Today I want to show you how to fix a popping shower door hinge, frameless popping shower door hinge. So this video I posted 7 years ago, and if you'll notice I look a lot younger in that video. I've gotten over 60,000 views on this, a bunch of comments saying that it saved people hundreds of dollars. So with the amount of comments, it's probably saved collectively over $100,000 for people. It actually has saved some marriages, as I've been told. So anyway, it really helps out a lot if you'd like and subscribe to this video. I don't make any money off of it, but if you subscribe, that would help me out a lot. Once I get to 1,000 subscribers, I may be able to start making some money on these videos. Again, I did add a few illustrations to this video to help people out from questions I've had in the past about certain things that were vague and they didn't understand. So anyway, enjoy the video and me when I was 7 years ago. Hi, I'm Richard, ShowerDoorHelp.com. Just want to show you how to fix a European shower door that's making a clicking noise. If you notice this hinge, you hear that clicking noise right there? Okay. So it's really easy to fix. What the problem is if you look at this hinge right here, you see this pin in the hinge, okay? Right here, this pin is held in place by these little Allen screws here. What happens over time is those Allen screws will loosen up, allowing that pin to shift and make the clicking sound. So the easy way to fix it is throw your door to the inside, you get the Allen wrench and the Allen screw. You just take that baby out like that. Take some, I just do both at the same time. Just take those Allen screws on back on that like that. And I like to take some red Loctite here and just take a little drop on it like that. A little drop like that. Tighten these babies back up. Getting a little Loctite everywhere, but we can clean that up in a bit here. Just tighten them down. Give them a good tight. Open your door, close your door. And that kind of shifts that pin around a little bit better so you can get a little bit better, tighter fit on it. Turn it down. Clean up your Loctite. There you go. Done. All right, I have had one question. Sometimes, depending on the manufacturer, the screws right here, there could be two screws in that hole. One that tightens down on the pin and the other one that holds the screw from loosening up. So, if you try tightening that Allen screw down and it does not stop the popping sound, then you can go ahead and take this out completely and then stick your Allen wrench back in that hole, and then see if there's another Allen wrench or Allen screw behind that, the top screw. And if it is, tighten that one down and then go ahead and put the other Allen screw back in and tighten it down on top of that one. It should keep it from moving out of the hinge.